Looks can be deceiving. Most of you would automatically think it says Berkey. So he's the proud owner of a Berkey filter. Well, remember I told you folks many years ago, and many of us have heard this sentiment, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Believe in half of what you hear and very little of what you see. There are multiple ways that we could sterilize any water anywhere for drinking. And we've all heard and seen over the past several years many different products that have been displayed in front of us throughout social media. I'm a big fan of what's inside this bag. And I've been with this company for roughly 6 years now. I'm an ambassador with this company. And this particular company filters outdoes Berkey filters. Now to each his own, and I'm not here to argue back and forth. I want to just give you the reason why I enjoy having this particular 2.5 gallon water filtration system with me at all times. Let me explain it why. Number one, the Berkey bag fits the big Berkey from Berkey. So the Berkey bag fits the big Berkey water filtration system from Berkey. But I needed something so that I could carry my water filtration system inside of it. This bag suits it, so don't let the name fool you. Let's go right in and see exactly what this is. It houses the lid, the Alexapure. And this is sold by a company called My Patriot. And it's under $300. Stainless steel, just like the Berkey. I house my filters inside. This will accept up to 4 filters. I'm a big fan of 4 filters, but you could do 1 or 2. That depends on your need. But it does house all the filters here. The next part that I'm about to bring out here, well, here it is. Here's the entire setup. Now, I want you to pay very close attention to this setup because it's very important. To simply set that on top, and if you like the names to be aligned, that's fine. And there's your lid. You have a knob that goes here. You have a rubber gasket that goes on the bottom. And you have your spigot that you place here. Now, this makes for a complete water filtration system. Whether you're in still water or moving water, it's going to filter 99.9999% of the bacteria and viruses out of the water. And most of the time, we're not worried about viruses, but because of what's going on in the world today, we may want to take a look at making sure we purchase filters that are going to protect us against such viruses, just in case men want to experiment in the factory and release something in our waters. I like this filter a lot. It's proven its point. It outdoes the Berkey filter. And I'm a big fan of research, and I've been speaking about this particular filter for the past several years. And they're pretty hot on the market. But I want to show you how easy it is to pack away. I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to pull the big Berkey bag out. And I'm going to share with you how I pack this away. The first thing that goes in here is the bottom portion. From that point, I take all of the gaskets and I stuff them down there. Then I take the bag, I put it here, voila. The lid, right here. Now, you can buy an optional stand. Here's the stand. Now, the bag closes completely up without the stand. But the stand doesn't necessarily fit all the way in here, but it does get in here. So I take one in, I press it down like so. And there we are. Then I simply close it that way. Folks, I don't know about you, but I'm off to a good start. Don't you think that's pretty neat? The Alexapure, housed inside of the big Berkey bag. Don't worry, I've already sent my Patriot an email and talked to a representative as well, and told them they need to come out with their own bag. It's the best they can do. Or in this case, the least they can do.